Hello everyone, welcome, bienvenidos. I make these videos for students enrolled in my classes for extra practice, especially with pronunciation, and I'm happy to share them with you as well, so welcome everyone. If you've studied another language already, you know from experience that the only way to advance is to practice. That's one thing we can't avoid. So the purpose of my videos is to give you lots of extra practice so that you can improve your skill. There are 9 lessons prior to this one on my channel, so if you haven't seen those already, you can go back to my channel homepage and watch those videos, or you can just pick up here. So let's go ahead and get started with this lesson. To work, trabajar, to work, trabajar, trabajar. The stress is on the last syllable here. Trabajar, trabajar. To work, trabajar, to work. Trabajar. I work. Yo trabajo. I work. Yo trabajo. Stress is on the va. Trabajo. Trabajo. Yo trabajo. I work. Yo trabajo. A lot. Mucho. A lot. Mucho. Stress on the mu. Natural stress. Mucho. A lot. Mucho. Here, aquí, here, aquí. 2 syllables, aquí, stresses on the key, aquí, aquí, aquí. In a bank, en un banco, in a bank, en un banco, in a bank, en un banco. In an office, en una oficina. In an office. En una oficina. Stress on the U. Una. Stress on the C. Oficina. En una oficina. Again, natural stress. Una oficina. In an office. En una oficina. Okay, so let's review what we've learned, and I've thrown in a little bit of extra vocabulary here that goes with this context. I work, yo trabajo. Oftentimes, native speakers will leave out the yo because it's understood by the ending of the verb. So they might just say trabajo to mean I work. Here, aquí, a lot, mucho, all day, todo el día, every day, todos los días, Monday to Friday, de lunes a viernes, de lunes a viernes, in a bank, en un banco, in an office, en una oficina, from 9 to 5, de 9 a 5. Okay, so here's what you can say now. You can say, I work here, trabajo aquí, I work a lot, trabajo mucho, I work all day, trabajo todo el día, I work every day, trabajo todos los días, I work from Monday to Friday, trabajo de lunes a viernes, I work in a bank, trabajo en un banco, I work in an office, trabajo en una oficina, I work from 9 to 5, trabajo de 9 a 5. To continue learning and advance your skills more, click on the next video that appears here on your screen.